Hey everybody, continuing with our macromolecule slideshow, there's two more major groups of macromolecules in living things, organic molecules, we want to take a look at. The next one is proteins. And proteins, you may be familiar with proteins in the sense that, when we eat food, one of the things that we want to take in is protein because it makes up our muscles, many functions in the human body. But so you may be familiar with proteins in general, but there's a lot of details about how a protein gets put together. So we'll challenge you to try to dig deep into like understanding how all that works. All right, and so there's that. Let's go to the next slide here. Um, One thing about proteins is they have all these bizarre shapes and structures, and that helps determine like what they do, their function. So the shape of a protein kind of determines its function. You'll see that come together hopefully. And then the next major group, the last major group of macromolecules are the nucleic acids, and that's our DNA or RNA. And so there's the idea of the double helix, there are nucleotides, and so forth. And so that's kind of what this slide is showing here. Um, so again, you can see that the four major groups of macromolecules of all living things, and so that's one kind of interesting or fascinating thing about nature and living things and biology in general is that all of life is made up of these macromolecules. It's consistent, found in any organism. And so biologists, have strived to gain an understanding of all of that, and so will we. Okay, all right. We'll stop there and we'll talk to you later.